Can you really make money from TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Eliana from Yangon Inside Channel, where the place we show the real way to get money online. Is you a student or freelance? Just looking for side money? Yeah, you are the right place. That video, I want to share with one application called TikTok that we can make more money easily. As 3 months, I create one TikTok account with different region and creating video about history and trending topic content. Yeah, during 3 months, I passed monetization and now I earn money from TikTok. In this video, I would like to share how to create TikTok account with the right region and how to pass monetization and create video. And the last one is how to draw up money from TikTok.